Spill the beans.
Mm.
What should we be eating to keep those good gut bugs happy?
Think fiber, fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains. These foods are like a feast for beneficial bacteria. They provide the prebiotics, which are essentially food for the good guys in our gut, helping them thrive.
So a diet rich in plants is key to a healthy gut as we age. It sounds familiar, like something we hear about a lot.
You're right, it's not a new concept. Diets like the Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes plant-based foods, have long been associated with health and longevity. And now we're starting to understand that a big part of their benefit might come from their positive effects on the gut microbiome.
It's amazing how science keeps uncovering these connections. So what about the flip side? What happens when people move away from those traditional diets and adopt a more westernized way of eating?
Well, there have been studies looking at this, particularly with immigrant populations. And what they found is that when people transition from a diet rich in plant-based foods to a more Western diet, which is often high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, their gut microbiome can shift in a negative direction. They tend to lose diversity and see an increase in less beneficial bacteria.
So even cultural and environmental changes can impact our gut bacteria. Exercise, does that play a role too?
Yes. Studies show that exercise can actually increase the diversity of our gut microbiome and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, especially one called Faecalibacterium prosnitzi.
What's so special about that bacteria?
Well, it's a type of bacteria known to produce butyrate, that short-chain fatty acid we talked about earlier. Remember, butyrate is like a superhero for gut health. It helps reduce inflammation, strengthens the gut barrier, and even has anti-cancer properties. So exercise is like giving those butyrate-producing bacteria a boost.